Mic check, mic check. You guys hear me? What's going on, guys? Who's in here right now? I am looking for the thumbnail that I used last time. Here it is. Let me link the video real quick on my page. How do I find the link? What's up? What's up, Marco? I know, man. I had to set up everything, you know. Had to get everything set up. Oh man, look at my face is covered by the subscribe symbol on the bottom. Let me move my face to the other side. Here we go. But I feel like there I'm covering something else. Maybe here. What's up, 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘? What's up, Sam? What happened to the front? What do you mean? What front? What's up, Mark Smith? What's up, 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 𝗧𝗥𝗔𝗜? I don't know how to say your name. What's going on, Tony? Hi, Mom. How you doing? What's up, Milena? Samir? What's going on, man? Eastwood? What's up, dude? 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 𝗧𝗥𝗔𝗜. How do I get the... I'm trying to get the link for this stream so I could post it, right? Oh, I think I found it. Hold on. For this... Yep, I found it. All right, so share. Let me also like my own video. You know, that's very important to do. Here we go. It's always very important to like your own video. Who else is in here? Philip, what's going on, Philip? Caitlin, howdy. 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘, or 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. Is it 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 or Gallo? I don't know which one it is. We're gonna talk some Bitcoin, man. Look at Bitcoin right now. It's almost at 52K, guys. That's crazy. I actually got to set up an entry. If we break above 52K, I am entering a breakout entry. It's gonna be a new high. So I'm gonna try to ride that up with you guys. So if anyone wants to enter with me, more than welcome. Let me set up this entry real quick. 52.25. Oh no, I don't want to do. So I'm gonna do a conditional. So I'm gonna set this entry up for you guys live here. All right. So I'm gonna set up an entry real quick here, and we'll see if this hits today while I'm live. So we're gonna do a conditional isolated market order. So the trigger price is gonna be 52.025. Give it a little bit of room to hopefully avoid fake outs. How much you guys think I should do? Let's do, how much is 10%? 70,000. Let's do less than 10%. I'm gonna risk, let's do 30,000. Whoops, that's 330. There we go. Make sure that everything is set and then just hit buy. Boom, order is set up. As you guys can see here, now we just wait. So I'm gonna move this window out the way. and we'll be watching that. Who else is in here? Ashley. What's up, Ashley? Yeah, man, my mom's always in the live streams, bro. You need to get that support from the fam, you know? Anil Guy. I'm not sure how to say your name, but what's up? It's moon money and I want it now. What up, what up? Gel or jelly? My pocket's feeling pretty good, you know what I mean? Are we expecting a dip? I mean, there's always a dip to be expected at some point, you know? Oh, hold up. I didn't even post the live stream, guys. You guys are distracting me. Hold on. Live now. There we go. Live. I need a live symbol there. Boom. Let me save this and post it on my multiple pages. How you guys feeling about Bitcoin? Where you think we're going to before we see a dip, guys? Post it on this page. I'm gonna post it on my personal page. All right, there we go. So let me see, where was I? Gasper, what's going on, Gasper? Jibri? Charles, student? What's up, yo? Paola. What's going on, Paola? I'm entering at 52,000. Above 52,000. Anil, yes, I did. I set it up with 10x leverage. Yep. 10x leverage. Morgan, what's going on? You think it's going to hit 53K and then dip? Market manipulation in what way? Gasper, right now I'm focusing on streaming, on getting, building up the YouTube. Eventually I'll get back on Twitch. But it's hard to be on so many platforms at the same time when you're trying to grow, when you're trying to grow something. So I want to grow. I'm focusing right now on Instagram and YouTube. My Instagram's already pretty big, so I'm trying to build up the YouTube now. And it's just hard building both YouTube and Twitch at the same time, because then I'm sending people to too many different places, Oh man, Bitcoin is at 51,904, guys. Are we gonna see that 52K? New all-time highs live. This is currently is this a new high right here? The previous high was 51,923. We're currently we went to 51,950. So we just set a brand new high while streaming live. So maybe the trick to getting new all-time highs is that I have to go live. I think that's what it is. Samir, my favorite music artist, it's changed a lot as I've grown up. My favorite music artist back in the day, I was really big into hip hop, and it was Eminem. And it's just changed. It changes all the time. I don't know. I actually did music for I did music for about 10 years. I was a producer, writer, artist, audio engineer. I went to school for audio engineering. So yeah, I was in the music industry for a while. What's up, Ricardo? I have a TikTok. I just don't really use it that much. Because for TikTok, you have to make very specific TikTok-y type videos. And I find TikTok videos so cheesy and lame that I can't get myself to make TikTok videos. I don't know, man. Like that style, that TikTok style, I feel like it's so cheesy. It's such a like cheesy and cringy style, you know? I don't know. Ralph Meek, nice, dude. Make sure you're moving up that stop loss into profit, my guy. Make sure you're trailing it. We're at 51,953. New all-time highs. Let me change the title of this because I'm gonna just change the title to Bitcoin live stream new all-time highs. New all-time highs. There we go. We got 51 people in here right now. What's going on, guys? How you guys feeling today? We're gonna do some we're gonna watch Bitcoin hit these new all-time highs. We're also going to be talking about altcoins and just have a little fun. I'm gonna answer some questions for you guys. Gonna have a good old time. Yes, I do, Gel or Jelly. I'm not sure how to say your name, my guy. My bad. But if you go to YouTube, if you go to my channel and you go to videos, right here, you see this video right here, Leverage Explained. I did it about a month ago, 4 weeks ago. You can check that video out right there. I explain exactly how to use leverage. Oh, we just hit 52K, guys. 52K. So that means my order triggered. Let's see. Yep, order triggered. Let's set up a stop loss on that order because this looks like it's going back the other way. So once the order triggers, first thing to do, set up a stop. 51,750 is a stop I'm going to be using. Close on trigger. Confirm. Now I got my stop set up. I'm going to zoom in as well to the 15-minute chart so I could really follow this closely. You can see right now I'm up about $15 or so, but it's moving real fast. So let's see what happens here. I'm up 345 on the day. I think this was from overnight or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, I had a trade open when I went to sleep last night, and I left it in a trail mode. So that's where that profits from. So we're just gonna watch this. Once we get into, here we go. So we're in profit right now. I'm gonna zoom into the 5-minute chart right now. I am going to move my stop into profit. I'm kind of trailing it by like $100 or so. So another thing you can do, you could set up a trail. I don't know if you guys know how to set up trails. So let me see. I think I might have to cancel my stop if I set up a trail. Let me move my stop back and let me set up a trail here. So trailing stop, I'm gonna trail it by $100. Boom. So the trail stop is now live. You see that? I'm gonna close this I'm gonna close out the stop loss because I have a trailing stop right now at $100. You see, as it goes up, my trail stop continues to move up as well. So my trail stop is now at 52.94. So let's see how we do with that trail. We're up about 3% right now, about $100. All right, let me catch up. Let me see. BP, what's up, BP? About 1 month in with you, but I've been following you for 3 months. You've elevated my trading exceptionally. Let's keep it going to the moon. That's amazing, BP. Appreciate that, man. I really do. Really appreciate that. Check out how the trailing stop works, guys. Look at the trail stop. Look how it moves up, chasing the price, right? So I'm gonna probably trail out right here, but boom. So I just trailed out, but I made probably like $200 like that live for you guys, right? So we're gonna see if there's a pullback to 52 again. If not, we're chilling. Like, it's not a big deal. So I was trailing really tight. When you're trailed by $100, that's super tight trail stop, right? Um, so if you trail that tight, usually you'll get bounced out, right? You get taken out really quickly. So let me move this out the way for now. But yeah, I just showed you guys live, you know, how to trade with leverage, like what that looks like. Let me see. Josh Tucker, what's up? What's up? You're in the VIP Discord, my guy. Is it dumb shorting the top now if there's low volume? Yeah, I wouldn't short the top, man. There's no reason to ever short. There's no reason to trade against a trend. If you trade against a trend, you're only making it more difficult on yourself long term, because you might get one or two, like you could get lucky and get a winning trade trying to trade against trend and shorting the top. But more than likely, when you put it long term, you're gonna end up losing more than you win. You know what I mean? So why make it more difficult for yourself? There's no point. Paola, I paid the group and was not ready to make not only one leverage trade. What do you mean? Have you watched? Make sure you watch the leverage tutorials. Make sure you watch the Bybit tutorial. Make sure you watch my live video where I take trades live and I show you how I manage them. You want to watch those videos so that you see what the process is and how to do it. So make sure you watch all of that first before you try to take a trade. Then you can use a test net on Bybit, which is basically paper money, right? So with paper money, you don't have to risk your own money and you can learn how to use it like that. So do that first. Remember, focus on focus on learning before earning. If not, then you will not have a good time. Jordy, when is it ETH season? Man, it's been ETH season for a long time. ETH is up 150% on the year. So what are you talking about? Ricardo. Hold on. Hey, Neil, you agree about TikTok? Ricardo, where are you trailing at? I was trailing by $100. Jordy just hit 52K on Bybit. Yes, it did. It's currently at 52.2. Jordy, when you guys got to remember, when Bitcoin moves, when it's moving, especially when it's moving up like it is right now in the last few days, all the money goes out of altcoins and into Bitcoin because people want to ride Bitcoin up. And then as soon as Bitcoin starts consolidating again, you'll notice that money starts going out of Bitcoin and into altcoins. So for the last like week or two, it's basically been out season. Bitcoin's just been consolidating, and what do you call it? The altcoins ran crazy, right? So now it's time for Bitcoin to run. So all the other alts are kind of just chilling a bit, right? But even then, right now, you can see Litecoin is up to 230 today. It's up about 9%. Remember, I told you guys last week, I told you we spoke about Litecoin, and Litecoin was at 180. I told you guys to buy it. Who listened to me? Let me see in the chat if you listened to me on Litecoin. Michael, my take profit was 52.5 was my first one, but I was trailing by $100. I like to keep a tight trail, which works out because currently, look, I exited before this. I exited around 52,300, right? So so I exited at the right point. Now, if we go back down and test it again, I'm going to probably take another entry at 52. So we're just going to be patient now. There's no need to FOMO. Meat Tracker, what's up? When do I think Bitcoin will hit 60? It seems like it's going to hit 60 soon. So right now we're still digesting the 50K area. But you know, we're moving pretty fast. I can't tell you an exact date. I wish I could. I can't predict that, unfortunately. Anna, love you too. Thank you. I love Mr. Daily too. Thank you, my brother. Literally. Benjamin, do you think it will bounce down to, that's not a bounce, that's a drop down to 51. Do I think it's going to drop? It could. It's something that can happen, you know? God. Are you the god of dogs? India considers banning crypto. I don't know, man, because whether or not it bans it, it can't ban it. You know what I mean? It's just gonna make it more difficult for people in India, but crypto, Bitcoin is out of the scope and out of the control of India and its government or any other government, which is the whole point of Bitcoin. Government cannot ban Bitcoin. The only way they can ban Bitcoin is to ban the internet. You know, if you guys have internet, you guys have Bitcoin. So it could, short term, it could, you know, cause a dip in Bitcoin's price if that were to ever become official. But I don't think India is gonna backtrack that much. I don't know. I think that'll put India even further behind than where it currently is. I think they have to accept it and adapt, you know, just like everything else. India doesn't want to be the blockbuster of the world, right? Samuel, Jay's the king. Appreciate it, man. Came late to the party. Nah, man, you're early. We're only, how long have we been streaming for? Just a little bit, I think. I don't even know where to see how long I've been streaming for. Oh, 24 minutes. So we're about halfway there. What's up, Double Phase? Space Marine, ETH entry. I'm looking at 1850 as a ETH entry. So 1850 would be right above these candles and these candles. And just below the all-time high. So for a short-term trade, I like 1850 for Ethereum to ride a possible momentum trade right there. We're still watching Bitcoin here. It's probably gonna consolidate around in this range somewhere. Remember, we spoke about this level as our target, which is around 54K. Also, 53, just before 54K is also when Bitcoin's market cap, I believe also hits $1 trillion. Let's see, market cap, we're currently at $970 billion. So I think around 53, 54K, in between that, we would hit $1 trillion in market cap for Bitcoin. So crazy stuff, guys. We have 74 people in here right now. What is going on, guys? Make sure to like the video, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to do so as well. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers, guys. Look at this. We're at 4,990. So we're about 10 or less subscribers away. I can't tell exactly how many. I would have to look on my phone. But we're right there, guys. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. We're pushing up for a possible new high. We're setting brand new all-time highs right now, guys. Michael, you entered at 51K. You should definitely set your stop loss right below. You should be either taking profits or setting your stop loss pretty tight, like maybe right below 52. Should I take a 52.5 entry? It would be a new entry. What do you guys think? Let me see. Who did I miss? Ricardo. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, man, we have a whole community of members in there. I think right now we're around 250 to 300 members, something like that. So there's a lot of knowledge in the trade group, guys. If you're interested in it, just ask here in the chat. I'm sure there's people here from the trade group, and we have a description to join we have a link to join the trade group in the description. And basically what it is, I share more of my knowledge with you guys, and I share my trades and stuff like that. I share more on a day-to-day basis, but this is not a sales pitch. Just telling you what it is I do. Yeah, Jordan, I'm glad I was able to explain it. I know what you meant. Mana, Marco, I gotta take a look at it. I haven't looked at Mana in a while. Yep, Ricardo. I can show you to the water, but I can't force you drink it. That's what I like to tell people. You gotta be willing to learn, and you gotta be willing to put in the time to learn. Just because I show you where the water is, it doesn't mean that you'll know how to drink it, type of thing. If it's something that you've never done. Philip, you bought Litecoin? Nice, dude. Umut, Umut, you bought Litecoin as well. Good stuff, dude. What's up, Papo? I see you. Neo, you bought Litecoin as well. Amazing. My prediction on Ethereum this weekend. It's all dependent really on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin continues moving a lot, Ethereum's also going to be moving, but not as much. Bitcoin needs to probably chill a bit for money to go back in, but we should definitely test new highs here at some point soon. You heard some guy say, well, I mean, I hear lots of some guys. I've heard some guy say it's going to go to zero for the last 10 years, probably every day. So I wouldn't trust some guy saying that it's going to go to 42. Thomas, greetings from Germany. What's up, man? I'm glad you could tune in. Where am I at? Cake, I'll have to look at it as well. Remind me in a few. I'm gonna take a look at altcoins in a few. Have we hit 5K yet on subscribers? Let me see where we're at. Nope. Make sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't yet, guys. I'm gonna look to see exactly what number we're at as far as subscribers. Oh, we're 2 subscribers away, guys. We're at 49.98. 49.98. So we're hitting new all-time highs on the channel as we're hitting all-time highs on Bitcoin. That's the perfect storm, right? Thoughts on Amazon starting its crypto project in Mexico? That's amazing. I gotta see it actually happen. You know what I mean? There's always a lot of talk until there's like official things going on happening. Then I don't take it too serious. What? Can you make a super long video detailing every little function, how to use it on reading view, please? I have no idea what you're asking, me tracker. Elliot, no, it does not bother me that that Bybit only has 5 altcoins because I don't want to trade hundreds of coins. I have no interest in that. I rather focus on a handful of coins than have hundreds of coins that I'm trying to look at, and predict prices. So it's goes with the what the saying is, the jack of all trades is a master of none. So that's very similar in trading. Even with stocks, when I trade stocks, I only trade a handful of stocks. I'm not looking to trade hundreds of stocks because that's impossible to keep track of, you know. So I mostly trade Bitcoin and Ethereum anyways, regardless of what exchange I'm trading on. So it does not bother me at all. I actually like it that it prevents me from trying to track so many coins at the same time, because then my accuracy and my hit rate is going to hit less. So I'm a lot more consistent with just a handful of coins versus hundreds of coins. Jibri, ETH entry, like I just said, if you're looking for a short-term entry, I'm watching this 1850 area right now. I definitely have I have videos on how to enter and all that. As far as indicators, I don't really use indicators. As you can see, the only indicators I'm using is really the RSI that I just kind of keep an eye on. I use support and resistance levels. I use Fibonacci retracement tool, and that's basically it. I have here moving averages as well. I use volume as well. I use moving average here as well. I use a 21-day moving average, the 50-day moving average. Sometimes I use the VWAP. Sometimes I use the Bollinger Band. But I really don't depend. I don't trade based on those too much, just as a reference point, usually. So I really don't use too many tools because I trade price action. It's a lot more consistent because you're seeing what's actually happening versus what happened in the past, which is what tools basically do. All right, we currently have 88 people here. We have 45 likes on the video. Guys, we got to get this live stream to 100 likes before the end of it. So let's get it up there. Let's see how many subscribers we have. We got 2 people that unsubscribed. Guys, we're going the wrong way. We're going the wrong way. We got to go up. Subscribe. Don't unsubscribe, guys. Come on. Do I think it's a bubble? I do not think it's a bubble. Do I have more than 100 Bitcoin? I don't disclose the amount of Bitcoins that I have, but I don't have more than 100. Likelihood of dump or pump at 1 trillion market cap. I'm not sure. There could be a pullback, usually that's kind of what it is. We get pullbacks and then we keep going. I thought 50K would put up a lot more of a fight than it has, and it hasn't. So how do you withdraw money from Bybit? You just go to your assets and hit withdraw, I think, or send money or something like that. Louis San, what's up, my brother? What's going on? Awesome to see you in here, man. I got a lot of my family in the stream right now. Guys, we have 92 viewers right now in here. What's going on, guys? 59 likes. Let's get that to 100. And what's up with the subscribers? Let's see. We're still at 49.96. I need 4 subscribers. 4 people. Who's in here not subscribed? Let me find you. A beginner-friendly good exchange, again, it depends what you're trying to do. If you're a beginner, do not short trade. Do not short the market. And a Bybit referral code is in the description. I have a link there, so you can just click that. I've never seen Bybit run out of assets to leverage out. So no. Sam, we'll go over ADA now. Me tracker, what is that? I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. Smash the like, yes. Ethereum $8 off of, let me see where we're at. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. It's still not there. Elliot, again, I don't use Binance. It's cool for long-term altcoin holds. If you want to hold certain altcoins for the long term, that's cool. I don't trade on Binance though. I don't use leverage on Binance, so I really don't have much knowledge on Binance itself. What's up, 10x Bit Trader? What's going on? Aldi, just go ahead and hit the playlist and go to trading tutorials. Have a lot of tutorials for you to get started on. Azrael, I own a lot of coins, but I mostly own Bitcoin and Ethereum are my biggest holdings. Michael, it depends what I'm doing. If I'm taking profits, I'm using limit orders. If I'm trailing or using stops, I'm using market orders. What's up, Christian? I'm at 5,000. Are you? Let me see. Let's see. Nope, we're still at 49.96 unless my phone is trolling me and it's not updating. Oh, it says 5K. It says 5,000. Is my phone trolling me then? I think my phone is trolling me because my phone says 49.96, but here it says 5K. Which one is right? Which one is right? I don't know. What do you guys see? Do you guys see 5K or less? Tomás, gracias, mi amigo. Thank you, my man. I just showed you an active trade, and I just closed it. Fierce design. For short-term trades, I'm in and out. I don't stick around too much. Let me see. Trying to see here. Yeah, I don't know. It's so weird because it's showing me 5K here, but my phone is trolling me. Maybe my phone's delayed. I don't know. So let's go back to the chart here. His young son is smarter than him. What? Greetings from Amsterdam. Awesome, Christian. From Turkey, 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. Hi. That's crazy. You're out in Turkey. Elric, I think Elric Roger. Oh, yeah, I'll do a tutorial on TradingView. Let me see. Cake went over 10. I'm trying to keep track of all the things, but there's a lot. So I'm just gonna go to there's too much chat, guys. So I'm just going to the end of it. So just write it again because I'm so far away. All right, so everybody sees 5K. Awesome. All right, guys. So where we're currently at 52.2 in Ethereum. We're at 1837. Let's see. All right, so what coins you guys want to see? I'm gonna go over a few different coins. Thank you. Yes, we're definitely gonna celebrate 5K. Let me see. It's definitely showing it here. It says that you guys are seeing it as well. So we've definitely got to 5,000, guys. It's official. It's pretty crazy. We've been doing this now for what, 6 months? So 5,000 in 6 months is not too bad, right? So if you guys go to where we first started, first of all, do not watch any of these videos down here. These videos are so terrible. So you'll see that here 6 months ago is actually where we started. Before we did a couple random videos, but they were so bad, and I've only left them here so I can remind myself of where I started, and so that guys can see that we don't start, you don't start at the top. You have to start at the bottom when you're really bad at whatever it is that you're doing. So look how bad this video is. That it has 11K views, but it has 40% are likes and everything else, so 60% dislikes. It's crazy. So I started really bad. Then 6 months ago, I started 3 years ago, the first videos. Then after a year, I stopped. So it was 2 years without a video. Then 6 months ago is when I decided to focus and dedicate on it. And you guys can see the progress for yourself. We've done a lot of videos. We've done 5 videos a week for the last 6 months. So it's been crazy. What's up, Nimers? All right, so we're gonna start with some Ethereum and go from there. We're currently at 83 people in here, 67 likes. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like button. Let's get to 100. We've been streaming now for 43 minutes. I'm trying to keep it to an hour, so let's jump into some charts here and see what we see. So I'm gonna do these kind of fast because I want to try to get to as many as I can, right? And we have about 15 minutes to do it. So this is Ethereum. Let's zoom out a bit. Did you guys watch the top-down analysis video? Because then you'll understand why I'm zooming out. Let's go down to a week. So as you guys can see, look at this. This is just insane. Look at this growth. So these are weekly candles. It's insane, guys. We're up on the year 148%. That's crazy. That's unheard of. That's in 2 months, right? In less than 2 months. That's crazy. So Ethereum is just kind of been bouncing around here, right? So basically it's kind of doing a channel like this. I can't make straight lines, but you guys get the picture. Where it's kind of grinding up after a big impulse move. So this is another bull flag, except it's grinding up right now, right? So we're grinding up along this top up here and the bottom right here, right? So you want to look to enter towards the bottom of this range right now. So anytime it's around 1750 to even, I would even say 1700 here, I'm looking to enter that. Those are trades that I want to buy. Those are dips I'm looking to buy in Ethereum. At 1800, I'm not buying because it's just 1800 is right in the middle. That's where all the consolidation is. So you want to look to enter 1700 to 1750 on dips. On a breakout, I'm looking at 1850 right now as a breakout. You could also do a breakout entry above 1880. So 1880 and 1850 are the two levels that I'm watching for breakout entries in Ethereum right now. 1750 and 1700 are levels that I'm looking to buy in on dips, so that those levels would be down here. So that's currently what I'm watching in Ethereum right now. You guys want to do a giveaway? I'm trying to figure out how would I do a giveaway on a live stream. Like, how do I pick the person? You know what I mean? I would love to do a giveaway, but how do I pick the person where it's random and it's fair? I want it to be fair for everyone. And if you're already in the trade group, you know, you can't win the giveaway. You're already in. All right, let's take a look at ADA, guys. Google Randomizer. But with Google Randomizer, how does that pick somebody in the chat? How do I pick somebody that's currently watching with Google Randomizer? I don't know how that would work. Alper, greetings from Turkey. So that's two for Turkey. What's going on? I hope I didn't say your name too bad. I tried to say it the best I could. Alrek, I already went over Ethereum, so hopefully you're able to catch that. Let me see. Look, one thing I'm gonna do for you guys. For you guys currently here. Let me see. I can do a discount for everybody that's currently in here watching. For new members, if you're looking to if you're looking to enter, I'm gonna try to figure out a way to do a randomized giveaway here for the trade group membership. But if you're looking to enter either way, I'll do a 25% discount. Just DM me in the on Instagram, and I'll hit you with that discount code. But I'm trying to figure out a way to do a giveaway, because I would love to do a giveaway. I just don't know how. If you guys have any ideas on how to do a giveaway through on YouTube, like how to be able to find someone, then let me know. You guys think about that while we look at ADA Cardano. So ADA here, it's the same thing as last week. Not much has happened since last week. You know, we spoke about this bull flag and then the breakout, bull flag, breakout, bull flag, breakdown, right? But if you take that out and you just do this right here, this is another bull flag, right? So 75 cents, this right here, this was the perfect entry. If you guys are looking to enter and you see a dip on Cardano, I would say enter here at 75. That's the perfect entry. I think I told my aunt this the other day. I don't know if she answered or not, but I definitely told her. It's to have to be some sign up deal. Yeah, I got you, bro. How do I use put user in timeout? I'm gonna put you in timeout. All right, Hayaku. Cheers from Colombia. What's up, Oscar? Yeah, I'll go over Pancake. Give me a second. So So yeah, so that's the main entry for a dip, guys, in ADA. Hold on. Now other entries that you can look for here are gonna be currently on the 4-hour chart here. So let me see. So this yellow line is the 50-day moving average. So it looks like we've had some bounces here on that 50-day moving average. So that could be a possible support. Those are usually a lot lighter supports. We're currently at the top of this range of this channel. So possibly a break above, I would say a break above here, which is 90 cents, right? Yeah, so I would say a break above there is probably a possible entry. And obviously a break above the previous high. So if we hit above $1, that's gonna be the big, I think, move up, where we can move, you know, from $1 to like $1.10 or something like that. So that would be the big, if you want the safest entry for ADA, above $1. But you have to have that order set because it's gonna move fast. So other than that, above 90 cents will be another good entry, because then you would push back to $1. And on a dip, then I'm looking to buy down here at the bottom of this range, which is right around 80 cents and 75 cents. So those are the areas that I'd be looking to enter in Cardano right now. I think it's only a matter of time before Cardano breaks above $1. So Cardano is currently up 388% on the year. So year to date is up 388%. That's like in what, like 40 days, 50 days? That's crazy. Let's see. Greetings from Boston. Litecoin. We're gonna look at Litecoin now. Yeah, Christian, we should definitely hit the previous all-time highs in Cardano. Thank you, Oscar. Appreciate it. Elias, send me a DM in on Instagram, and I'll hit you with a discount code. Any movement with Ethereum? No. Bitcoin, just kind of chilling. If we get a dip back to 52, let me know, because I'm not really watching it right now. So let me know if we dip back to 52, because I'll probably look for a new entry there. All right, guys, we're up above 100 viewers right now. Appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. We've also hit 5,000 subscribers. Amazing, guys. And we're at 73 likes. Make sure to like the video, guys. Let's get it to 100 likes. We're at 55 minutes. So let's look over a few more. All right. The next one we're looking at is Polkadot. So when was it last that we spoke? Let me see. I think it was here, right? Was this the last time we spoke, guys? That was last week? So last week, let's pull up the calendar. We did it on the 10th, right? So on the 10th, we were here. Yeah. All right, so remember, look at this. Look at that arrow I wrote. Look at that arrow I drew. Who took this trade? I drew this arrow and I said above this, you should enter. And it went from, we were around $24. It ran up to about $32. So who entered this trade? I gave you guys this trade last week. We spoke about it. I said I'd be entering there. Guess what, guys? It went up exactly where we said. Even came down and tested it. That was a second opportunity if you missed the initial breakout. You had a second opportunity right there. Ran up to 30. So this, we should be seeing $50 in Polkadot very soon. Who caught this? Pick a number from 1 to 100. That's very tough to do because people could pick the same number. We have 83 likes, guys. Let's get it to 100. Let me see. Michael, no, I do not trade on Binance. My sound is too low? I don't know, man. What? Guys, do you think my sound is too low? I see it. I'm looking at it on my screen here, and it shows my sound is right where it's supposed to be. What do you guys think? Do you guys hear my sound too low? Do I sound good? Am I too loud? Let me know in the chat. Sound is perfect. Yeah, so I think it's your yeah, check your audio, Michael. Fierce Design. When was the first time I heard? The first time I heard about Bitcoin was many years ago. I don't remember exactly what year. Probably like 2013, something like that. And I think I tried to at that point I tried to buy Bitcoin, but I couldn't figure out how. It was very limited the ways to buy Bitcoin, so I didn't end up buying it, which sucks. So I think the first time I actually bought Bitcoin was back in 2016 at some point when after Coinbase started, because I bought my first Bitcoin on Coinbase for $600. Looking back now, I wish I would have put everything I owned. I would have sold everything I had and bought Bitcoin with it, but you know, hindsight is 2020. So now I put everything I have in it, and it's worked out. So what? The first 20 people who likes my video, that's too. There's already 91 likes, man. That's too late, and I wouldn't be able to track that. There's no way to track who are the first 20 people to like the video. And 20 people is a lot. I'm gonna think of a giveaway for the 5K. I'm gonna do for 5,000. Let's keep the number 5. So I'm gonna do 5 giveaways to the trade room for 5K. It'll probably be something on Instagram. So watch on Instagram. We're gonna do something on there, or we might do something on here. I'm not sure yet. I gotta think about it. Give me a little bit of time. All right. So going back real quick to Polkadot to finish this off. Um, right now, if I'm looking to buy, $30 is gonna be that range. As you guys can see, there is price action here, and there's been support here. So if we see a pullback, $30 is where you should look to get in. The next support after that is 28. The next one after that is probably going to be this range right here, which was around $25. So those are the supports here. And the next target that we're looking at is honestly probably going to be $40. So we should see basically what we've been seeing here. Like it's just a grind here for a while after an impulse move, and then it moves up, then it grinds a bit, then moves up. It's gonna grind a bit and then move up, etc., etc. Rinse and repeat, right? So yeah, that's currently what I'm watching there. Let's take a look at Chainlink. Chainlink on the 10th. So on the 10th, we were right here, right? I don't know why I made an arrow here though. I think, oh, so I was, so on the 10th, so last week, now I'm thinking about it, and I did an arrow there because the chart looks like this, and I was pointing at $30, right? So $30 was my target and my breakout entry as well. So as you guys can see here, on the 10th, this was the range we were in on the 10th, so it was right around 27, 28. I said I'm looking for a $30 breakout entry, which is exactly why I wrote this arrow there. And that's exactly what happened. We broke 30, ran up to about 32, came back, tested 30 again there, and then took off and ran up all the way to about 35, which is currently, well, we're back down to 32 now. So entries is going to be $30 here. This is a support. As you can see, support there, support there, support there. So $30 a support. The target is going to be $35 right now. Next target will be $40. So Chainlink's looking pretty good. Dogecoin, I think the same thing I've thought the entire time. I've never changed my thoughts on Dogecoin. I've spoken about it several times. It's going down this exact channel I drew. Look at the channel I drew last week. We're still in this exact channel. If you're looking to buy, you're looking to buy at the bottom of the channel. You're looking to sell at the top of the channel. That's all there is to it. There's not much to it. I don't invest in Doge because it's more of a centralized coin. Because remember, half of Doge's circulating supply is owned by a group of like 7 people. So 7 people own the majority of Doge. So therefore, I do not invest in Doge. Also, there's no projects behind it or anything like that. So, all right. So Bitcoin just took off. Damn, I didn't set my entries, guys. I wanted to set new entries at 52,500. So what I'm gonna do instead, I'm gonna set entries above. We're gonna do this live again. Hopefully we have enough time. So we're gonna set entries 53. We might go back under 52.5 actually. But either way, we're gonna set up entries above 53,000 in case we do break out. There'll be a lot, it should have a lot of momentum, plus liquidate shorts, because I'm sure there's a lot of dummies shorting at 53, which will liquidate their positions, and we'll take advantage of that. And we're gonna do 40,000 contracts there. We're gonna take that off, and we're gonna hit buy. So let's make sure our order is there. Yeah, so our order is there now at 53. So above 53, we're gonna be buying. 52.5, I don't really know yet. So I just have my orders set up there. Hopefully, if you guys are in the trade room, you're watching this video so that you guys can take that entry as well. Can someone watching this video from the trade room post this trade in the trade room in the chat, just so that anyone not watching could check it out? My stop loss is gonna be on that trade. My stop loss is gonna be at 52,750, and the targets are 53,500, 53.7, 53.9. So that's the plan for that trade. Guys, we just passed 100 likes on the video. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. What can I say? We have 111 people in here right now. We've surpassed 5,000 subscribers on the channel. I was only gonna do 1 hour, guys. My plan was to do 1 hour, but every time I start, I just get hyped with you guys, and like I just want to keep going. So as long as we stay above 100 viewers, I will continue. If we go below 100 viewers, I'm done. I'm out of here. All right, let's see. BNB pumping again. Yeah, BNB's been pumping like crazy. Where's it at right now? Do I have it here? I don't even have it here, but I'll pull it up. I have some BNB for long term that I bought. I bought Binance coin at like I think I bought Binance coin at $15, something like that. Do I trade crypto full time? Yes, I do. I do crypto full time. I also trade stocks and stock options, and I run this brand full time, and I do a lot of different things full time, man. Let's see. My biggest regret's not buying in 2013 when someone offered it. He thought it was a scam. I didn't think it was a scam. I just had a hard time buying it at the time. So I was just like, you know, my mind went elsewhere. Mariana, every time you buy and sell, is there a cost per transaction? Yes, there is. But it also depends on the exchange where you're buying and selling. So it depends. Yes, I trade full time. Thanks, Sam. I'm going to try to go to the moon. Yes. Glenn, yeah, we just spoke about ADA Cardano. Uh, is it the right time to buy Elron? What's Elron's ticker? I don't even know. I am reading the chat, but you guys are sending to me a lot of chats. So I'm trying to catch up because I'm trying to also cover coins and read the chat. I wish I had that many eyes to do both at the same time. All right, we're gonna cover like two more coins. The most requested coins will get covered. And please do not spam the same coin over and over if you're one person. We just spoke about ADA. So you could go back on this video in the VOD. Once it goes up, as soon as the stream ends, you can watch this video again. And we covered ADA already. My live video is insane. Thanks, man. All right, let's do Litecoin. Yeah, so we spoke about Litecoin last week. That was one that I recommended you guys. I think I urged you guys, and I tried to sell you on it very heavily. I told you guys last week when we were around here, I think. I think we were right here, right? Last week on the 10th. So we spoke about Litecoin. It was around 180, 175, I think, maybe. And I told you guys this was the perfect time to buy it. So I told you that I think Litecoin is just taking off. It's been lagging the rest of the altcoin market, and it's going to take off. And I still think we're going to hit 400 or 420 for Litecoin. So as you guys can see, it took off from around 175 where it was when we spoke about it, and it's gone as high as 230, and we're currently right back at that 230 mark. So this is still a good entry, guys. You can still buy Litecoin here. It's gone up a lot, and it even retested down here back at that 185 level and 200 levels here. So if you're looking for a pullback entry, that 200 level is currently what I'm watching. What is this big circle? Hold on. What is this? Let me see what I did here. Yeah, so this is the big what I showed you guys. This is the all-time high, which is 420, and this is currently where we're at. And look at that, we broke above where my circle was and everything. So yeah, Litecoin, guys, I still think we could hit that previous all-time high. So we're currently at 229. So buying here, it's fine. Buying back down at 220 is fine. Buying at 200 is fine, which is like right around here. Let me get this circle out the way though. There we go. So buying back at this level is fine. 200 is fine. On pullbacks, I'm adding any pullbacks to 200. I'm adding to my position. And yeah, I like Litecoin. I still think we can hit that that 400 mark. I think the next resistance is gonna be 250. And I like to leave the mark there, so when we come back next week, I'll be like, I told you guys, right? So this was like a bull flag right here, and this is the breakout. So we're currently at the breakout right there, right? So we're testing this previous high right now. Is currently what's going on. So we could have some consolidation here, another bull flag type of thing, and then a move up to 250 is what I'm thinking, you know. So let's see what happens there. All right, let's see. Guys, make sure if you're not subscribed to the channel to subscribe. How did you guys, tell me in the chat, how did you guys find today's stream? Were you already subscribed? If you were not subscribed, how did you find today's stream? I want to know how you guys found it. Yeah, Jordy, I got my brother working on it. We got a mod in here. Fiat currency and cryptocurrency are man-made. Yes, they are both man-made, except that cryptocurrency is not ran by man, and fiat currency is. So that's the difference. Cryptocurrency is ran by computers and by a very complicated equations on the blockchain. And that's what it's run by, while fiat, it's run by the government. Is it too late to buy BNB? Oh man, BNB is up a lot. So it's tough, you know what I mean? It's a tough call. Let's take a look at BNB. BNB is up 355%, and as you guys can see, it consolidated for a while. These are terrible lines, I'm sorry. But it consolidated for a while, and if you guys, this was basically a symmetrical triangle, right? So if we do a symmetrical triangle from the top here to the bottom of the range, more or less, and then we kind of measure it here and move this to the breakout point. This would be the target. As you guys can see, it already broke above the target, but this would have been the target that I would have set for this breakout, right? Right around 165. As you guys can see, it's taken off beyond 165, but it's kind of pulling back right now. We might come back kind of right to this range, But that's kind of how you figure out where a price can go with a pattern like this. It is a symmetrical triangle. When it's like this, you measure the top and the bottom peaks of it, and then you put it at the breakout point, and you can kind of get an idea, a prediction of where the target is for a breakout, right? So that's exactly what happened here. We had the breakout, and we basically went to our target. Where to go from here? I would, if my best guess, because we're in discovery, basically discovery zone right now. This price has never been to this area, so it just kind of, we're in price discovery is what it's called. So we might see a pullback to maybe 160 or 150, kind of like a grind like this, before another jump, which would take it probably to, I would say, $200. So I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 200. But again, we've moved a lot already. We're up 355% on the year to date. So don't go in there, putting crazy amounts of money. Bitcoin go to 100K? Yes, it will definitely go to 100K. Elliot, in the crypto VIP group, no, we don't do stock tips there. We do have a stock options group as well that's separate from the crypto VIP group if you're interested in. We can give you more information on that as well. Hi, Jules. I got lost here through IG. Steffi, I spoke to you today, Steffi. Appreciate you joining. Nikki searched for Bitcoin. Nice. That's awesome. Raymond or Ramen, you saw it on the ticker on the right hand side. That's amazing. Rudy, you watched the video on candlesticks and saw the live stream. That's awesome. How did you like the video on candlesticks? What did you think about it? Nicole already subscribed. Thank you so much, Nicole. I appreciate you. Olev recommendations. Awesome. That's amazing. Sam, you're subscribed. I know you're subscribed, man. I always see you supporting, and it does not go unnoticed. Brandon, yeah, we've spoken, Brandon. Louis San, I know you're subscribed, right? So you better have got the notification. Instagram. Pisty, you just saw it as a live stream. Did you search for it though? The magnificent face. Raymond, or is it Raymond? Is that how you say it? I'm not sure. But awesome, dude. I appreciate it. What's up, Quick Dub? Sink or swim? Sink or swim, I like that name. Search for live trading. Awesome. So we took a live trade. The first thing we did when we got the stream, probably the first like 2 minutes of the stream, we took a live trade. And we did like, I think we did like $200 or $300 when Bitcoin broke 52,000. So when Bitcoin broke 52,000, we took a breakout entry right at 52, and we rode it up to about 52.3. So we did like we're using leverage as well. So I think we did like $300 on that trade. But we haven't come across any other trade right now because we're only trading Bitcoin and Ethereum with leverage. Anything against Coinbase? What do you mean? Like, do I not like Coinbase? Is that what you're asking? I'm not sure. Yeah, I try not to shout too much. 5.02 subscribers. Nice. That is amazing, guys. So the next goal is to hit 10K subs, guys. What are your predictions? How long do you guys think that we will take to hit 10,000 subs? I think right now we're gaining around 1,500 a month as far as subscribers. So I don't know. I think that puts us in like May or something. Well, that'll give us what, 2 months? No. About three months and some change, right? Yeah, so around May. Hopefully sooner, right? You're gonna buy a house with your BTC profits. Amazing, I love it. Thank you, Samuel. Samuel Romero. Where are you from, Sam? Romero. The unknown botter. I stream right now. I'm streaming once a week. The more support I get, the more excited I get to stream, though. So I could do more. Let's just, you know, the thing is that I'm also posting 5 videos a week as well. So, well, actually now with this one it's 5, but so I'm recording 4 videos a week plus 1 live stream. So 5 videos a week total is currently what I'm doing. Market Cipher getting you some gains. That's amazing. To join the VIP group, I usually recommend, apart from your long-term holdings, at least $1,000 to play with, to trade. And the $1,000 is if you've never traded with leverage before, and if you've never actively traded, it's basically $1,000 to learn how to trade. It is really, that's why I don't even if you have $1 million in crypto, to learn, I would recommend you to stick to like $1,000 because you don't want to go crazy. Michael, how did I learn how to trade? A lot of trial and error, a lot of time, a lot of being persistent and consistent with it. And with that came discipline. I think the biggest thing in trading is discipline. Trading is mostly a game focused around discipline. And the thing with new traders is that they don't have that discipline. So they're usually emotionally attached to the money. If you're emotionally attached to your money, then discipline goes out the window. If discipline goes out the window, you're going to miss out on trades. So even when I'm giving people my exact trade setups, I'll be profitable and they won't, because they don't have the same discipline that I have. You know what I mean? So that's why I always tell people to focus on learning before earning, because the money's going to follow, but you have to put the time in because you have to learn. Awesome, Rudy. Appreciate it. BCH, I don't know, man. I used to have some money in BCH, but I took it out because I don't really know what the point of Bitcoin Cash is, to be honest. But it'll probably hit 1,000. I don't know from there. I really don't know. Vanessa Sanchez, thank you so much, Vanessa. I really, really do appreciate you for supporting the channel. I appreciate that that you send people this way as well. Appreciate it. Thanks, Fierce Design. I appreciate that. You'll notice that the tutorial videos usually get less views at first, because people are more focused on like the right now than on learning how to do it themselves, you know. Julius, it's a possibility for Bitcoin to fall back. I could see a scenario where we go back to 50K and retest it before moving forward. You know what I mean? So I definitely see something where we'll grind back down towards 50K, and then possibly there see a move up, you know, further higher, right? That's usually what happens. Usually before a big move, there's some sort of pullback, right? So check out this. Remember I told you guys in Monday's video about this ascending support right here. Look how it respected it, and then this was the range. So my target here is 54, right? So I told you guys the target's 54K here for Bitcoin, currently at 52. So we're getting there. Two months, 10K. Let's go. I like it. I think in 1 month, 10K. I like the way you think, Milena. I like something about you. I don't know what it is, but there's something about you. Sam, so I did a video on staking in BlockFi. Did you watch that video? Let me see if I have BlockFi open in any of my my windows here. I could show you guys an update. I haven't really since the last video, I haven't added any more funds to it. So whatever I showed you guys in the last video is basically what I have and what I've been earning on. Experiencing a new refer a friend experience. What is this? No, I don't want to check it out. So I was logging into my BlockFi. Let me bring it over so you guys can see it. All right, so there's my BlockFi account. Currently I haven't really added any Bitcoin. I have 0.05 Bitcoin in here. And I don't even know how this Bitcoin got in here, to be honest. I don't remember where it came from. But then this is what I added when we did the tutorial, where I showed you guys how to do it and all that. I added 5 Ethereum in here. So you guys can see for Ethereum, you earn 5.25% yearly. For Bitcoin, you earn 6% yearly. So I'm going to add, my plan is to add 1 full Bitcoin here and see what that returns on a monthly basis, right? So currently we're at what, 52? I actually open the calculator here so you guys can see. Calculator. So if we're at, let's say 52,000 times 6%, and this is obviously divided by 12. This is obviously without considering the compound interest. We can expect to make around $260 per month, and that only goes up because as the compound interest, as interest gets compounded, you'll have more and more Bitcoin, right? So that only goes up. So that's the plan. So I'm gonna probably do it for March. I want to start fresh, like on the new month. So I'm gonna do it March 1st. I'll drop a full Bitcoin in here and see how much we're able to get an interest, and then I'll update you guys every week. But currently in Ethereum, where I have a little bit more money, we've done 0.009 in interest, which equals to $17. So I mean, it's not much, but I made $17 literally doing nothing, you know, plus whatever Ethereum has gone up during the time I've had it sitting here. So I think in the video, this was worth what, $8,000. Now it's worth $9,000. So I've really made over $1,000 just having this money sitting here, right? Any of you guys using BlockFi? And I don't know if this was what you were talking about, Sam, about the interest accounts, or were you actually talking about like staking certain coins like Ethereum or something? staking ETH on Coinbase. Can you stake Ethereum on Coinbase? Is that because I remember they spoke about it, but I never saw that they actually, did it. Airhit, what's up, Airhit? I see you, but you're posting it so many times. Chill, relax. What is I asked you about Elrond. I said, what is the ticker for Elrond? If you don't tell me the ticker, how am I going to look up Elrond? Please talk about Bybit. What do you want me to talk about on Bybit? I have tutorials on Bybit. Like I just did a new one last week right here. So I recommend you checking this one out. 1 week ago. Recommend you guys checking that out. We're at 5,030-ish subscribers. Guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that sub. We're trying to get to 10K now. Today, we just hit new all-time highs on the channel as far as subscribers, and we hit new all-time highs in Bitcoin. Celsius, as far as the coin or the BlockFi similar thing that Celsius has. Michael, for buying Bitcoin with fiat, I use Gemini and Coinbase mostly. I don't have any other way where they don't require KYC, but you can check, I think, like local Bitcoin or something like that. I don't know if you guys ever used this, but this is another way to buy Bitcoin. So this has been around for a while. This is another way to buy Bitcoin here. What I just recommend you to do is to make sure you check the reviews on the people selling the Bitcoin here. So I might do a video on this, because another thing you can do to make money with Bitcoin is selling Bitcoin like this. You can go on sites like this, local Bitcoins. You can go on Paxful, and actually sell Bitcoin for a profit. So is anyone here in the chat, do any of you guys do this where you sell Bitcoin for a profit? Because I am interested in doing this. I've never done it, so I'm interested in doing it and creating a video around it. So if you've ever done this, send me a DM, let me know, so we can talk, because I'm interested in doing it. I want to check it out. I thought EGLD was Elrond Gold or something like that. The VIP monthly profits, it varies month to month depending on Bitcoin and Ethereum's movement, really, but usually you can expect around 20 to 30% profits ROI. Sergi, you just missed Litecoin. I just covered it, but the support is basically 220, 210, and 200. Resistance is currently where we're at because it's the previous high, so it's 230. The next resistance is 250. Guys, who is new here? Who is here for the first time in this channel? I want to get to know you guys on a personal level. We've been streaming now for an hour and a half, and I said we're only doing an hour. Dave, Binance has a peer-to-peer option. That's pretty cool. Let me see. Check out Bisq. It has no KYC. Okay, I'll check it out. What are the fees on there? Craig, are you new here? What's up, Craig? How you doing? What's up, Julian? Julian and Craig, new to the channel, first time here. Appreciate you guys. We just hit 5K subscribers today. And Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs currently. So make sure to check out the videos that we've dropped. We do a lot of tutorial videos, a lot of market analysis, things like that, you know, and we always provide you guys with trades and trade setups that we're taking personally every Monday and Friday. And we also, on Wednesdays, when we do the live streams, we go over different coins and provide you some trade setups as well. All right, so let's... So you guys said this one, right? So, let me see, we're on the 4 hour. So it's currently fallen back down to this support level here, which is right around, currently we're pretty much just under where it's at right now. You see the bounce right here on this Fibonacci retracement level. So currently it has resistance here, which is also aligned with 150, right? So you guys know that 150 is always going to be a psychological sell number. So that's a resistance right there. Above 150, I would say you can buy, but you have to be careful because look what happened here. It was a fake out and it dropped back down to where it currently is. So you got to be careful. I'd be more looking probably to buy at the bottom of this range. But also, you know, we have this current kind of downwards resistance here, right? This downwards channel. So this is definitely a breakout, would definitely be above this. But keep a tight stop because of the fake outs that already happened and could happen again. But as you guys can see, we're getting rejected here right now at the top of that. We're at the top of this descending channel. So if you're looking to buy, you're probably looking to buy either here or down here, right? And if it were to come back down here, this would be the best spot to buy because this would be the 100 mark. This would also be the bottom of this channel, and this would also be the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement area, which is also called the golden ratio. So it's a high probability bounce area, right? It's a high probability for it to bounce there. So that's currently what I would say about that. All right, let's see. Steffi's new to the stream. What's up, Steffi? Julian via Instagram. Awesome. First live show, MySpace. What's up, MySpace? Steffi, we just do streams overall. It's for everybody. We don't do any specific streams for members. What we do for members is share our day-to-day activity, trade activity, and market analysis and stuff like that with our trade plans and all of that. So, and then we also provide, you know, direct answers in the chat. We have the community chat where, you know, people ask us questions and we're always answering those questions. Hector, you're quitting your job this week? That's amazing, Hector. Awesome, dude. I love seeing people win, man. So that's amazing. Amazing, Hector. Congrats. Callum McFadden, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Air hit. What did you think about that? I just went over the chart. What did you think? Anna, thank you for tuning in for the first time. Make sure to hit the like button, guys. We're currently at 100 viewers. Make sure you hit that like button. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the post notification as well. We post videos 5 times a week. Basically 3 times out of those 5 videos, we're giving you guys trade setups. So you don't want to miss the videos. You want to catch them as soon as we post them, because if not, usually the trade setup goes really fast. So England, that's amazing. From England, that's awesome. What's up, Rigo? What is going on, Rigo? Thanks, Sergey. Appreciate it. Dave, that sounds like a very volatile portfolio, Dave. 45% SIA. Let's take a look at SIA. SIA coin. So SIA coin's been moving. So we spoke about SIA coin when we did our last live. So SIA coin is probably right around here. So it's done pretty good. It's gone up to 1.4, right? And it's currently moving down. Let's put a retracement, a fib retracement tool on it from kind of, let's see, let's start from down here. This is kind of where it looks like it began its takeoff to kind of where it's at now. And then here you can kind of get an idea of possible bounces, right? So you see there's price action here in these areas. So it's definitely going to be a spot for a possible bounce. As you guys can see, it went under that, and when it did go under that, it fell down, but it caught a bounce right here, which there was some support there. And then as soon as it broke through that, it's kind of moved up again. There's a move down right now, probably because money is flowing out of it and into Bitcoin, and that's also why it's probably been going down recently. Remember, when Bitcoin moves up, a lot of money flows out of altcoins and into Bitcoin, and then when Bitcoin kind of chills a little bit, money moves out of Bitcoin and back into alts. But yeah, it looks good. This is basically a bull flag here. So it's trying to break out right now. A breakout, we should see another test of this previous high here, and we can possibly see new highs as well. So SIA looks pretty good. Appreciate it, Callum. Mike Jones, short it. How about you short it and I long it, and we see who wins? I'll take that challenge any day, every day. If it's worth 12K, short it and let me see it. I'm already long, so short it, let me see it, and let's see who wins. You know, I have no problem with that opinion. That's your opinion, that's fine. Mojo. came up under recommended videos. That's awesome. Appreciate you tuning in, Mojo. Michael, courses. So I'm working on a course currently, but it's tough to create videos 5 times a week and then also create a course while also doing all the other things I'm doing with trading and all that stuff. So it's taking me a lot longer than I wanted to, but we will have a trading course. I want to do possibly a live trading course. I just have to set up the curriculums and all that. And then I'm gonna have, I think, like a max of like 10 students a month, where we'll do a full on, trading course, 1 or 2 live classes a week. We'll also record the live classes, and we'll be doing that. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But as far as anything I recommend reading books, and watching. There's a lot of stuff on YouTube, including our own tutorials. So check that out. Daniel, what's the lowest price? I don't know, man. Bitcoin is very volatile. It could drop 30% in a day if it wanted to. So we never know. Right now, the support where it currently is, I can only tell you the next support where it's, from what we're looking at. And that support is at 50K right now. So after that, I don't really know. We can also go ahead and move up this, the Fibonacci tool up to here. Wait, I think I just literally moved it. Where is the, here it is. I want to stretch it up to the new highs here. And now let's lock this. I always lock it because if not, I move it by mistake all the time. When I'm doing this, I start moving it by mistake. So we're currently consolidating here in this area. Oh wait, I messed up. That's not the high. That's my target, not the high. Hold on. Let's unlock it. I think the highs are on here, right? Close enough. Lock it back. So that red line is my target, not the high. Yeah, no spamming in the chat, guys. Sergi sold 𝗙𝗥𝗘 with some profits. Amazing. From England, BNB, ETH, BTC, and they're gonna stack them. Keep stacking, brother. Well, it depends how you're talking. For me personally, my biggest position is Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and then after that, everything else is probably 10% or under, as far as my position. Because those are the two projects that I understand the best and believe in the best. I've spent the most time, researching those projects and trading those. So it's what I believe in the best. You know what I mean? Like, I know it will outlive me, type of thing. So I do the same thing when I trade stocks. I only invest and trade things that I believe in 100% and I think will outlive me, you know. So and things that really are doing something, you know. So even though I like the other altcoins as well, I don't like them as much as I like, you know, the purpose behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Pat, Robinhood does not let you buy cryptos. What do you mean? What's up, Avian? Avian? Yeah, definitely a very nice day for us. And yeah, Pat, remember when you're buying crypto in Robinhood, you don't actually own the crypto. You just own basically a note that's tied to the value of the crypto that you're trading. So yeah, I would definitely recommend to actually buy the actual crypto itself, not, you know, just buy it on Robinhood. But I mean, you can use Robinhood if you want. It's just my recommendation. Doesn't really matter. The support line, Benjamin, I'm not sure. We're at 95 people in here. How many subscribers are we at right now? We passed 5,000 today. We're around 5,030. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe, guys. You know, we do all sorts of fun stuff in here, as you will see. We're currently been streaming for, it's about to be 2 hours, guys, and I'm out of water. So I think we're gonna call it here. It's about to be, it's 4 o'clock now. Any last coins that you guys want me to take a look at? 𝗿𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗚𝗙𝗑. You have 1 Bitcoin. How can you turn it into 2 Bitcoin? You have to basically trade it. You know, you have to don't do that unless you know how to trade. If you don't know how to trade, I would recommend to, what do you call it? I would recommend you to just add in money weekly. So dollar cost average in, and you'll slowly build up that position for that second Bitcoin. Samuel, I do not do live on IG because on IG I can't really do too much. It is definitely a revolution happening right before our noses. 100%. One day we're going to look back, you know, 10, 15, 20 years from now, and we're going to see how we were the first ones. We are the early adopters, you know. There's just so much that we can learn from blockchain network overall. I love it. I love the movement. The crypto isn't real because you're not actually buying the crypto. You don't own the crypto. If the crypto was yours, then you would have a private key when you bought that crypto. You would be able to get that crypto and move it from Robinhood to any wallet that you want in the whole world, right? But because you can't do that, it means that it's not actually your crypto. You don't actually own that crypto. You only own something that's tied to its value. So unless you have a private key for your crypto and you can move it from one wallet to the other, you don't own the crypto. All right, let's do uni stake. Is this what it is? What's the ticker for it? I don't know what the ticker for that is. Let's do XRP because I do know that ticker. It's right in the name. So XRP has been slowly grinding back. Look at this craziness that happened here. It has been a wild, wild ride in XRP. Let's take a look. Try to get an idea here of what we're looking at, right? So as you guys can see, it has been a wild ride. This is towards the end of the year. XRP was taking off. It would have probably hit previous all-time highs. But then because of the lawsuit, you can see here, it went pretty crazy. Went down as low as 20 cents. Then got pumped here by Reddit, and it was pumped by Reddit, and there was also news on it, which pumped it all the way back up to almost the previous yearly high or whatever. And then it got dumped, of course. That's what happens in pump and dumps. So it got dumped back to 35 cents, and then it's slowly been grinding its way back up. Currently, we're under this Fibonacci level, which is at 38.2% level. Yeah, that's currently where we're at. We'll probably see it go back up here. That's currently the previous recent high. You can see kind of this channel that we're trading in. And you see we're trying to break out from it right now. So a break, I would say a break above this Fibonacci level, which is right around that 57 to 58 cent range, should shoot the price back up at that point to around 60 to 65 cents. So we should definitely be seeing that soon, unless there's bad news regarding the SEC versus XRP case. In that case, all this goes out the window, and you know, I have no idea what will happen at that point. Yeah, we spoke about Cardano already. What in the world? I don't know who this guy is. You'll write me on Instagram? Okay, awesome. Is BlockFi available in Sweden? I have no idea. I'm not sure. You'll have to look it up. It should be in the FAQ. Yeah, Elliot, that's my plan. My plan is just a trading course in total. Because leverage, you just learn that you have to learn how to trade before you can trade using leverage. You know what I mean? Leverage just maximizes your results. So if you're a winner, you're going to be a bigger winner. If you're a losing trader, you're going to be a bigger losing trader. That's all leverage does. It's just a tool that you can use. But you know, you have to know how to trade in order to use it. Doritos, what's up, dude? Mojo XHV. I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever seen it. Pat Max, awesome, man. Thank you for your sub. I appreciate it. Craig wants to see Zill. I'll probably do some videos on technical analysis tools soon, like the most common technical analysis tools used. I'll probably do a video on that. 6 cents Doge. All right, guys, make sure that you like this video. We're currently at 120 likes. If you're in here, make sure you're liking this video. Let's blow that like up. We've been streaming now for 2 hours. Currently at 80 viewers. Crypto William, I don't know what you're talking about, dude, but don't spam with whatever you're posting. And then whoever the Chris Brown dead dude, obviously you're spamming whatever he's writing. Don't do it, guys. Next time you will get the boot. You just got clapped after having a huge win? What do you mean? Unknown botter, send me a DM on Instagram. I'll be checking DMs later on. I'm gonna give anyone that's in the group, in this live stream right now, that is not in the group, that wants to try a month out, I'm gonna give a 25% discount for the first month. Thank you, Rudy. Really appreciate it. You use the leverage for the first time? Yeah, man. You gotta be careful with leverage. It is a double-edged sword. It is literally the definition of a double-edged sword. All right, guys. We've been live for 2 hours now. The viewer count is now down to 74. So we're gonna cut it off here. Guys, make sure that you subscribe, guys. Make sure to turn on that notification bell, because remember, we're posting 5 times a week. 3 of those videos, we're giving you guys trade setups for the week. So, you know, if you want to make some money, then I would suggest turning on the notification bell. But that's pretty much it, guys. We will do another live stream next Wednesday. We're going to be doing it every single Wednesday from now on. And then we might throw in a couple live streams here and there between the week as well, depending on what's going on. If there's anything big, we'll do live streams. Any big events, any new news, possible, you know, like today, new all-time highs like we just hit today, stuff like that. We'll do live streams for, you know, not too long like today's. Today's 2 hours long. Sheesh. But that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Make sure to hit that like button as well. We've had about 2,000 playbacks today, which is a lot more than last week. We have 124 likes, which is more than last week. We've had a lot of people in the chat, and we're at 5,000, over 5,000 subscribers. I thank you guys so much. So we've probably done over 40 subscribers today during this live stream alone. So I appreciate you guys, man. You guys are the best. You guys are the best community out there. I wouldn't be able to continue doing this without your support. So know that your support is always really appreciated. That's pretty much it, guys. Again, if you guys are on the live stream and you're interested in the trade room, send me a DM. I'm going to give everybody here a 25% discount on your first month, okay? So that's pretty much it. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. I will see you tomorrow on tomorrow's video. Catch me on Instagram. Peace and love. Ow, I just hit my elbow. Peace out, guys.